If you're interested in weatherization for your house, there are some new federal incentives that are available. Joining me now is Steve Matiso with SWEPCO, who's here. Tell me a little bit about these federal dollars.
Yes, so through the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, homeowners are now eligible to claim tax credits of up to 30% of eligible home improvements made within the year, up to $3,200 annually.
So what does that mean?
So that means homeowners can claim tax credits for improvements such as sealing air leaks in their homes, adding attic insulation, and installing energy efficient windows, or for certain heating and cooling systems such as heat pumps.
Okay, so heat pumps, other things as well. These items can help?
Absolutely. Heat pumps, unlike traditional heating and cooling systems, move heat rather than generate them, which makes them incredibly efficient for homeowners.
So how do the incentives work? How do we access it?
To identify qualifying heat pumps, for example, customers would go to EnergyStar.gov to identify which heat pumps would qualify for the federal tax incentives. And to find out more about the federal tax incentives themselves, customers would go to IRS.gov to find out about that.
IRS.gov?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
For people in our area, we know it gets extremely hot. It can get extremely cold. Heat pumps are a way to save money?
Absolutely. Heat pumps are very versatile because it can cool and heat the home. In the wintertime, they extract heat from the outside air and pump it into the customer's home. And in the summertime, the process is reversed, and they extract heat from inside the customer's home and pump it outside.
Good information. Thanks so much. I'm Jan Elkins for Ways to Save with SWEPCO.